Alright, once again, welcome to Creative TV, and today we're at the famous Erick Schat's Bakery in Bishop, California. That's right, let's go inside and let's check out all the goodies. Here we go. So as soon as you open the door, bam! Right in front of you are all the goodies looking right at you and saying, buy me. So let's take a look and see what we have here. So on the table we have different flavor of pull-aways. We have almond, Dutch crunch, pecan, plain, and walnut. On the top shelf we have different flavors of bucket of cookies, so make sure you check those out as well. On this shelf right here we have different pastries. We have a bear claw ring, Holland crunch coffee cake, 8-inch cinnamon bun, raisin pan, apple strudel, and more. Now here you can never go wrong with a pound cake, so you definitely got to pick one of those up for your journey. When you're in Bishop and you're traveling, you definitely need a pound cake. That's right. When you walk in the bakery, it's like there's so much to choose from, and you're like, where do I start at? Because that's the way I was. I didn't know where to start. I didn't know what I wanted because everything in there looks so good. If I could, I would buy it all. Oh yeah, right to the chocolate, and we all love chocolate. You definitely need a bag of these. Oh yeah, here we go, moving on to the good stuff. I did end up getting an apple fritter because apple fritters are something that I really do like, and I highly recommend the apple fritters at this particular bakery. On the bottom shelf are some amazing apple fritters. That's right, you know. All right, moving on to the next room. That's right, the deli room, the bread room. There are aisles and aisles of bread, different flavors of bread. You definitely need to check that out, and definitely take some bread with you. You won't be disappointed. Let's take a look. Here we go. So as far as the bread goes, I'll just name off a few flavors. There's 100% whole wheat. They also have 100% raisin deluxe, 12 grain, 150% raisin road, cinnamon raisin bread, energy loaf, French bread, German 7 grain, olive bread, real beef bread, Russian raisin pecan, rye bread, the San Francisco extra sourdough, just to name off a few. So there's a lot of bread to choose from. That's just a very little that I just named off the top of my head, but there are a lot. So I definitely recommend you have to check this out. Check this place out if you're ever in Bishop, or if you're traveling through Bishop. You definitely need to make a stop. Alright, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to follow the channel, and don't forget to click on the description to learn more about the bakery.